Hello everyone, welcome to episode 1 of Action Unplugged presented by NIA and co-powered by Black, where business meets banter and networking gets real. Today we have Abhishek, Sumit and Jitwik with us. The rules are simple, be honest, be witty and make sure you keep the energy alive. So before starting, we'll ask you some questions to help everyone get you know better. Describe yourself in 3 words and your business in 1 line.
Passionate, vibe, networker.
I can actually feel those 3 words.
And my business, in 1 line, preparing children for life.
If I describe myself in 3 words, passionate, curator, and learner, and my business in 1 line, luxury in your lifestyle.
Calm, networker, and yes, highly passionate. And when it's about my business, helps you get your dream home.
Sumit, first thing you would do if you won 10 crore tomorrow?
I would take my students on an international vacation and spoil them a little.
Okay. Abhishek, what would you name your autobiography?
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Ritwik, one business leader, dead or alive, you would like to have coffee with?
I would like to have coffee. Okay, this is a serious answer. I'd like to have coffee with either Azim Premji or Warren Buffett.
Okay.
Not for their business leadership skills. I think we had a word about this with Shreyansh also the other day. But because both of them are continuously donating around 99% of their wealth.
Sumit, if you had to swap businesses with someone here for a day, who would it be?
Why for a day? I would like to swap my business with luxury to living for life.
Rather, I would do it with Vanshika for PD India, who is into Vanshika the chef, and she's running a cloud kitchen. So yeah.
So Vanshika is my daughter, by the way. That would be a better privilege.
Yes.
What's one emoji you use the most? Sumit, one business myth you wish people would stop believing.
All stories spoken by my competitors.
Oh, that's something really unique and very true as well.
I wish people came and asked me whether it was true.
Was it true?
Is it true?
Of course not. I said it's false.
Which one?
I'll tell you. Come down to me.
Okay. Ritwik, finish this line. Networking is best
When it's informal.
True that. It's very important that nowadays meetings are.
You look into loans.
It's like this. Yeah. This is better.
I thought you were into
Put this in the video.